In this video, I'm going to be sharing how to cake up a skein of yarn. For this sample, I am using Knit Picks Stroll Handpainted in this beautiful koi pond. First, you're going to unravel the skein, making sure to tug on a little bit and have it looking like this. You're then going to gently put it over your yarn swift, holding each side, and then you are going to raise up the umbrella just until your yarn is comfortable. You don't want it too tall or too tight. You're then going to take off the tag, and you are also going to be cutting all the little tiny ends. So you're going to see here that you have these little loops of extra yarn. You need to cut these off in order for your yarn to unravel. So you can take a pair of scissors and just cut that off like I did here. Now I should have used probably a little smaller pair of scissors, but it works great. Cut all of these ends. Just look around, make sure, and there's another one over here. And now you will be ready to wind up your yarn. Take one end, and you'll see when you start pulling the end, I always test it out to see how well it unravels. You're going to put it on your ball winder, and I love giving it a little bit of tension with my hand, and that just helps secure it not being as messy, and you just need to wind off that ball. If you are wanting to do 2 at a time, wind it off completely and then measure after 250 grams. And once you're done, be careful with both hands, taking off the cake, making sure there's nothing all around that base, and take it off. You can place your yarn label in the middle if you want, or you are now ready to knit out of the cake. You can either do a center pull, or as I prefer, all around. So take that little tiny strand that you see and pull, and you are ready to knit.